So, yun nga, if I remember it right, may compressed zip file ako na i-email to Filipino groups, Filipino scientists, I'm sure they're Filipino groups, ng laman is 17 compression programs and decompression programs, 17 ang total. And then to other groups, Americans, 19 ang total. Separate compression programs and decompressors. Distinct compression and decompression programs. Pero yung pinakamagaling, the best compression program, meaning yung the best data compression algorithm ay nandun sa compressive file na 17 ang total na laman ng files. Meaning, it was for 117 and 911. Yan sa Philippines, 117, and then sa US, America is 911. And there are calls for help or attracting your attention. But after a few days, maybe 1 or 2 days, 3 days, I also included that best compression program in it was among the 17 compressed, the 17 files. Pinadala ko rin sa mga American groups. Nauli lang sila ng konti, yung mga American groups na in-email ko. Mga American recipients in-email ko. So, nandun din. Na-receive din nila. And later, mga developments ko lahat, mga upgrades, improvements sa mga data compression algorithms, breakthroughs na I solved and invented, really invented, improving, received naman ng lahat. Even eBay. Kahit nahuli na sa eBay, pag email sa eBay, o eBay na lang, email pa rin yung eBay ng mga current compression flows implementations that time. Because there was the possibility na kung sino man nakakontrol ng internet communications ko that time, hawak nila or what, or may control sa computer namin that time, sa computer. I-copy sila.